Hello guys, review Tecno Pova Neo 3, this version 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory, open box. Good compactation. Now talk about device. Double camera on the back side. On the front side, display 6.8 inch. Power button and warm buttons on this side. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone, headphone jack. And slot for 2 SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Okay, open settings. About phone, Android 13, iOS 13.0.0. Look into the benchmark results. We have batteries 7000 mAh, very good battery. MediaTek Helio G85, Mali G52. This CPU and GPU, and resolution of display HD+. Okay, run GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas works very good on the max graphic level. Okay, close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.